Yo guys, here's today's trade recap. So let's get into it. First, marked out London high, London low. We swept London low. We got a break of structure. Then I was waiting for a retrace, but the retrace never happened, and we tapped into London high. And I was waiting for us to push out of it, but we never did. So then we came above London high, and we got a 30-minute close at the same time. We tapped into it and reacted out. So I entered right here, put my stop below the high. Yeah, and I entered right before news. So news came out and it absolutely exploded. So I caught a 1 to like 7 risk reward ratio. And yeah, it's a pretty crazy trade. So yeah, pretty good trade today.